What's going on, everyone? Forex Fargo checking in. Forex Fargo back again with another banger. This week we are going to do our Forex Fargo weekly webinar from January 17th all the way through January 22nd, which will be next week, Sunday all the way through Monday. For those that don't know, I do have a signal service. It is not running yet. I have put it on delay a little bit longer. I just want to get some things in order. But, without further ado, I still want to be able to provide some content so people that are, you know, interested in joining the private signals mentorship, you guys have an understanding and get an idea of what it is, you could expect, right? So, without further ado, let's get into it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and then let's catch these pips, baby. What's going on, everyone? Forex Fargo checking in. Forex Fargo fam, a weekly webinar, January 17th, 2021 through January 22nd, 2021. Just want to take the time out of this early Saturday morning, just go over a few pairs that I'm looking at kind of for next week, right? So if we go ahead and, move this to a weekly time frame, we can just see that when price got down here, prices, I marked this 1824 level, 1825-ish level as a daily support level. If we drop down to a 4-hour time frame, I'll explain to you that price has been respecting this since I believe about December 3rd or so, right? So it's December 3rd. We count the rejections from this level. You got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this could be potential 11, right? Now, if this does not get held as a floor, right, aka support level, what I see happening is price pushing back down to this December support level, which we have marked at 1775, right? 1776. This looks like a potential W pattern formation at this daily support level, which I have marked right here with this path, right? So this is just something that I'm looking at, and then what I do have marked is I have the buy signal right here. This is not for you to buy as soon as market opens, but for you to just kind of monitor price and see what happens, right? So this is what I'm looking at on gold, right? On EU, I will be looking to see if price is respecting this December, December 1st level at 120, or if we're gonna push down to like the actual like lowest of December, which was 119, 540 or so, right? So I have these two bully lips marked. I do understand, that we may be in a slight retracement in terms of, all of this bullish momentum we've been having against the U.S. dollar. So this is why I'm not looking for, I understand I could take a sell. I'm not looking for the sell. I'm just really looking for the buys when they should and should not be executed, right? So this is why I have my levels marked. Moving on, I will be going on to AU, right? So AU, I have marked as the 77-cent level, and then if this gets broken, I have this 76, 450, 500 area level mark. We should probably move that up like right there. So I move that up like right there, honestly. Right, so should be looking for something like this on AU. And then on GU, what I have marked is I'm expecting GU to just push down a little bit further to this either this 135 500 area, this 135 area. Like I was saying, if price does happen to break any of these levels, obviously, it's going to push down, and then I'll explain that a little bit further, right? So reason being why I'm looking at these currency pairs against the US dollar going back up is because when I take a look at the Dixie, or the dollar index overall, I noted that when price came down here to this 89, $89.750 area, price could have done two things, right? Price could have broke or held, right? So what it seemed like is price kind of just faked out to the downside a little bit more. But since we have found support at 89,750, right now it looks like price is pushing back up towards this daily resistance level. So I'm looking to see if with the push above this daily resistance level, if these pairs are just going to push into the zones that I'm expecting. If that does happen, I will be monitoring price action, like I said, to go ahead and see what moves I can and cannot make. What I've also done, if you follow me on TradingView, bearish bull, 617, I posted the gold, the EU, and then the AU, so you guys can follow along with it, right? So those are going to be my overall lookouts for the overall forecast for the week. Like I said, if anything happens, anything changes with my levels, I will look for the continuation trends. With that being said, they will be like bearish at that point, right? So Forex Fargo checking out, and remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's catch these pips, baby.